Hello students, I just wanted to go over briefly how to navigate the course. So what I'd like for you to do is to start with the Start Here module. And I would like for you to click on each of the pages in that module, okay? And I have a welcome video for you. I have a little short letter explaining who I am and why I'm excited to teach you. You can click on Course Syllabus, Outcome, and Materials. It has my syllabus there. It has all of the information that you'll need to understand what we endeavor to do this semester. As you can see, there's a quiz, but I really want you to get in the habit of clicking on each page in the module. So let's scroll down to week 1. Now I know it's a little daunting. It looks like there's a lot of information, but remember, this is an accelerated course. So you are actually combining about 2 weeks in 1 week. So we need to cover that content. So there aren't a lot of assignments per se, but there is a lot of information that you'll need to utilize in order to complete the assignments proficiently. So please click on each page in the module. Watch the videos, watch the information that we have, and then from doing that, you will be able to see what it is that we are going to endeavor. Please make a habit of clicking on each of the pages in the module before you start the assignments. Okay, so how do you identify the assignments versus resources? All of the assignments have a date attached to them. So make a habit when you're looking at the week as you're going through 1, 2, 3, all of the different resources. Notice that the things that have dates and points attached, those are the assignments. But you'll need to do or to look at the content that is before the assignment in order to be able to do well on the assignment. Okay? Each week I will post the coming week on probably Thursday or Friday of each week. So get in the habit of getting things done ahead of time. Just in case you're wondering, there are 4 essays in this class. We will have extra credit as well, so you'll have ample opportunities to be successful. If you have any questions navigating, just let me know. If you find that there's a link that's not working, let me know so I can fix that. As you can clearly see, there's a syllabus quiz. So you want to make sure that you complete that before May 11th. You have an introduction assignment that's due on May 12th. And you have 2 other discussion assignments that I would love for you to complete before their due dates. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm here to help.